Do regrets weigh you down? Do you wish you had made different choices or used your time more wisely? Those wasted years can feel like a burden of missed opportunities you can never reclaim. Time waits for no one. One moment it's today, and suddenly weeks become months, and months stretch into years. When we pause to reflect, we often ask ourselves, what did I do with all my time? Where did my dreams go? It's as if we blink, and so much has passed us by. This leaves us feeling regretful for the chances we didn't take and the journeys we never embarked on. But there's hope and restoration for those who seek it. The universe is restoring all the wasted years. So how do we recognize when it's guiding us toward restoration and new beginnings? Here are 7 powerful signs. 1. Your deepest wounds begin to mend. Even when it feels like your best years have been stolen by pain or regret, the universe quietly promises healing. The wounds carved into your very being will slowly start to heal. It won't be a sudden change, but a series of subtle shifts. The constant sharp ache of the past softens, becoming a dull throb that no longer dominates your thoughts. You might experience days where the wound doesn't consume your mind, offering brief moments of peace. As you heal, small glimmers of hope emerge. An unexpected kindness from a stranger melts away some of your cynicism. A long-forgotten hobby reignites a spark of joy within you. These ordinary moments are the universe's whispers that beauty and possibility still exist. They gently remind us that light can shine through even the darkest shadows. The wounds from your past will remain, reminders of the struggles you've endured and the resilience you've developed. Yet their grip on you starts to weaken. Their power to shape your present and future fades away. You uncover a strength within yourself you never knew existed. It was forged through adversity and hardship. A deep sense of calm begins to grow inside you. You feel a quiet confidence, knowing you've weathered life's toughest storms. Sometimes, blessings come in disguise. A clear sign that good things are coming is when you experience unexpected abundance. You might find yourself receiving pleasant surprises you hadn't anticipated. As you begin to see financial success, remember to view these as signs of the universe's kindness. But the universe's way of making things right isn't just about money. It extends its generosity across all aspects of your life. Consider the idea of receiving unexpected surprises. This is a key part of recognizing this sign. Imagine a scenario where good things start happening to you out of nowhere. Sometimes this might mean unexpected financial gains. More often, it's about blessings far more valuable than money. Strangers might show you kindness for no apparent reason. Friends might offer help without being asked. New opportunities might arise from unlikely sources. This wonderful mix of surprises shows that the universe wants to repay what you feel you've lost. It's not just about material wealth. It's a broader, deeper form of generosity. The universe is showing you it hasn't forgotten about you. It's ready to bless you in ways you never imagined, touching all areas of your life. A gentle shift occurs when you start seeing the world and yourself with kinder eyes. You feel drawn to care for those around you. This signals the universe making up for lost time. Your desire to help becomes natural, not forced. It's now part of who you are. Tough times teach compassion. You want to support those who struggle. No matter what you have, you feel a greater kindness has sparked inside you. This leads to selfless sharing and giving. Your heart becomes a channel for a higher love. You offer more than just material things. Your actions make a real difference in your community. This urge to live with compassion shows big changes in your life. An unseen force guides you towards a major shift in character. It's not just small acts of kindness. It's a sign your path is shaped by something greater. Your inner fire burns brighter than before. This is a clear sign the universe supports you. It helps you reclaim time you thought was lost. You notice more inner strength and resilience. When facing life's challenges, you find new courage. It's as if you've been given special tools to overcome obstacles. This newfound bravery helps you tackle difficulties head-on. The universe gives you strength to endure tough times. It acknowledges your path to recovery and growth. Often, this restoration includes rediscovering your life's true purpose. You may have lost track of your calling, but the universe gently guides you back. It helps you find or reignite that inner flame. This clear sense of purpose, combined with your strength, shows the universe's role in mending your life. It's not just fixing what was broken, but making you stronger and more focused. This process enhances your ability to face adversity. The universe empowers you to overcome challenges with greater determination. It strengthens your inner resolve and clarifies your purpose. As a result, the storms in your soul begin to quiet. Finding peace amid turmoil is a sign that the universe is making up for lost time. This inner peace symbolizes true restoration. The universe doesn't just clear obstacles. It grants you strength and peace to move through challenges gracefully. This tranquility comes from deep within. It gives you confidence that things will turn out well, no matter what problems you face. The universe shows its dedication to restoring balance in your life. It's not just about recovering what was lost, but also about finding inner peace. This serves as a comforting reminder that your fate is being carefully reconstructed. As you navigate life's unpredictable journey, the universe aligns everything in your favor. It helps you not just to endure, but to thrive with a peaceful heart and clear mind. Suddenly, your path feels illuminated. Your desires and decisions naturally align with the universe's plan. This is a sign that lost time is being made up for. This shift is deep and meaningful. It guides you towards choices that match a greater plan. You'll feel a profound sense of happiness and completeness. It's like finding the last puzzle piece that makes everything fit perfectly. You'll know your life is unfolding exactly as it should, according to a larger plan. This alignment marks an essential phase in your renewal. It shows that higher powers are steering your life back on track. It's about more than just external circumstances. This alignment represents a deeper spiritual transformation. Your core being resonates with a broader divine purpose. Finding this alignment brings deep inner peace. There's comfort in knowing your choices sync with the universe's grand design. This connection goes beyond just understanding. It's about feeling in harmony with the cosmic plan. Fixing what was lost goes beyond the material realm. It's a spiritual awakening, realigning your soul with the divine flow. Feeling harmony and purpose signals the universe's active involvement in your restoration. The unseen world beckons, and you respond. A growing desire for deeper spiritual connection indicates the universe's restorative work. It's not just curiosity, it's an unquenchable thirst for understanding the divine. Simple prayers transform into powerful moments of connection. Your eyes open to the universe's constant presence in your life. This awakening transcends specific religions or beliefs. You recognize the interconnectedness of all things and develop a profound respect for the universe's mysteries. It's about deep spiritual renewal, elevating your awareness to new heights. As you explore sacred texts and engage in spiritual practices, you gain deeper insights into life's purpose. This journey towards enlightenment shows the universe's involvement in your transformation. You're being guided towards a life rich with meaning and purpose. Those moments when everything clicks and you feel inspired, that's what this message aims to do. If it resonates with you, feel free to share and comment. Wishing you a beautiful day filled with blessings.